I'm John Hobbs. I'm here with Tony Strimsky, and she's going to share a little of her experience with our group that we're part of. And do you want to say hi or say anything before we get started?
No, but well, except for what I posted a few months ago on my Facebook page about something that I got into with these educational courses that I'm taking. It really works, and that's why I'm doing this video for y'all.
Cool. Well, first of all, Tony, what got you to even look at this education? I mean, you're successful, you make money, you build platforms that people that use literally around the globe.
Yeah.
And you looked at it, why?
Well, when I did the solid velocity banking class, a little snippet of it, I got excited because I'm a data analyst and I can build dashboards and things like that. I went home and I built my own to test it out because I'm a non-believer, so I had to test it out for myself. And when I saw that it worked, I got very excited, and I said, well, this is a no-brainer, so I might as well do this because even if I didn't want to do real estate, which I do now that I've learned is what I've learned so far, I also want to do real estate. But initially I thought, I'm already saving all this money, so I've saved over $19,000 in interest.
Wow.
All just doing it the first year. I'm going to be doing it, repeating it over the next 4 years. By putting money, some extra money down on my mortgage and things like that. But using the velocity banking methodology,
okay.
Right? It made my credit score go up 84 points. 84 points.
Wow.
Which is huge to me. I got all of my credit card debt paid off. And it's just an awesome feeling. So even if I never wanted to do real estate, I have already saved so much money and made so much money and put money back in my pocket.
Sweet. That's really cool. And how many years of payments did you save?
3.3 years.
3.3 years, all with one application of the education you learned. Wow. Yep. That's pretty cool.
And I'm going to do it every year. So my mortgage, I calculated in my dashboard, is going to be 9 or 10 years will be paid off. So.
Not too shabby. It was at 28 or 29 years at the time when you started?
No, it was 29 years.
29?
Yeah.
So it's going to instantly, I mean, that's 20 years, so that's all cash flow. After that's paid off, now that you've increased your cash flow, it's significantly. Wow, that's cool.
And I'm going to Airbnb this place, so it'll be paid off in 9-10 years, and then I'll start making money with it. So yeah.
Oh, sweet! I like your plan. I like the way you think.
Yeah.
So you're going to get the Airbnb course on how to do that.
Yes.
Where?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
From the educational courses.
Cool. Now, so you see a lot of other benefits other than what you've already applied. So we were speaking before the video started, and you mentioned something about tax and legal, how that's helping you with business and business structure.
Yep.
And how is that going to help you?
Well, most of my friends know that I have a bug spray business, Body Mist, and having my own small business, it teaches me what I can write off, how I can save money on taxes, how I can actually travel and go to Chicago to see my friends and use it as a business write-off, and travel for free, as long as I am making sure that I'm promoting my business. That's pretty neat because I didn't know that I could do that before. So
any valid business trip when you're going and there's a valid business reason that you can track and show is definitely a write-off.
Yep.
And seeing how our community is all around the U.S., you can almost write off any place you go if you actually make plans to attend a local meeting at the time. Something to think about.
And another idea I had was to get an RV, because I want to travel the U.S. for a year or two, and I thought I could put my business logo on my RV and take trips around the U.S. for my bug spray, and I can actually see how I can write that off too.
Well, yeah. Will you have to get more into tax and legal? I won't spoil it for you right now, but get more into tax and legal about that. There's some minor write-off you can do, but not the full thing.
Oh, I know that.
Now, you're sold. You like the education. The education's already benefited you. You already see how when you have that she just reclaimed some time, so you already see how it's going to benefit you as you can really start getting into it more. What would you say to somebody looking at us? They've already looked at us and they're thinking, well, should I join or shouldn't I? You know, what really, why should I join? Why should I trust? I mean, I can get education on YouTube.
The way this education is organized, it's really in depth. It's done in phases. You get the whole package, not just a class here or a class there online, and only get part of the picture. They paint the whole picture, and you have a support system. You have people that are, like your mentors that can really guide you and help you. You can ask them questions instead of going and taking a YouTube video and then, okay, here's hour-long, 2-hour-long, 10-hour-long YouTube video, but now you have a lot of questions. You have no one to ask questions, all right? So you have a support system, and you have other people that are doing it with you that you can work with. So to me, it's a no-brainer. There's no risk involved whatsoever. To me, it's a win-win. So.
Sweet. Well, we very much thank you for your time, Tony. It's been a pleasure. I know you have to get going. We have to get going. But anybody watching this video, what I would like to say is to grow, you have to learn something new. You have to think something new. You have to say something new, and you have to do something new. And if you're not doing those, you're going to be in the exact same place you are right now in a year from now. So hop on board. You'll be happy you did.